Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help Guy. So for today's video, we're gonna show you how to have a more 3D like store, online store on Shopify. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to change up your theme. So for here, for example, here the back cover or the cover of your theme, instantly change it to something more vibrant, something with more color, more emphasis on the product. So for example, here you can explore some of the free images they have here. So let's say your store is let's say coffee shop or something like that. So definitely upload something like this to make it look more in depth, so that when customers open up your store automatically, you have you don't have like a plain background there. Instead, there's actually a product being shown. And when you upload the product, make sure that it's at a certain angle, like with this coffee right here. So make sure that the angles of your products are uh in a certain angle that shows depth. So basically what we meant here is to make it look something like this. This is a theme that you can use on Shopify. So you just click on try theme and automatically you can purchase this theme as well. So this is what it looks like to have a 3D like shop on Shopify. 3D doesn't necessarily mean like the ones on cinema that kind of explodes on your face, but 3D in a sense that you can actually view the products better. You can view the products clearly, and at the same time, there won't be any confusion with your customers whenever they're viewing your products and items for less refund purposes as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this, give you a bit of a glimpse, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.